YouTube has recently rolled out a brand new feature that allows you to auto-generate thumbnails and also to split test between 3 different thumbnails within the YouTube studio. And this is literally a game changer for content creators. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this feature by showing you how it generates new thumbnails, and also I'm going to upload 3 different thumbnails to split test to show you how this feature works, right? So before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So as you can see, I'm in the YouTube studio here, and within my file explorer, I have a new video and 3 different thumbnails that I'm about to test. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create and upload a brand new video here and drag this video here to get uploaded. Now, as you can see within this pop-up window here, while my video is uploading, you have this new feature here under thumbnails that says upload thumbnails, auto-generate thumbnails, and also test and compare. But in order to auto-generate those thumbnails, the video has to upload it fully first, and I'm going to give this video a moment to fully upload. So in the meantime, I'm going to just go ahead and fill out my description here, make it very nice and simple, select a playlist here, and I'm not going to use any tag for this video. I'm going to leave it as is. Now, as you can see here, guys, my video is fully uploaded. And the first thing, as I mentioned, you can auto-generate thumbnails. So if you click on auto-generate, it's going to generate 3 different thumbnails from the video. So let's allow it a moment to generate those thumbnails. And as you can see, it generates 3 different thumbnails. So as this video is just a mobile tutorial with just one background, it doesn't have much different clips to choose from within it, but it finds 3 different scenes within that specific recording. And that's why these thumbnails look like that. But if you have like a standard video which shows various scenes, it will generate 3 different thumbnails for you. On top of that, you realize that you don't get any text. So if you want a thumbnail with text, then it's better for you to custom create your own thumbnail. But if you're recording a video which you don't really need text on your thumbnail, then this might be a very decent option for you to use. Now, as I said, I'm not going to use this option. I'm going to upload my 3 different thumbnails so that I can split test. So I'm going to go ahead and click on cancel. Now, as you can see here, you have the test and compare section. So if I click on test and compare, I have the option to upload 3 different thumbnails. And as I showed you before, I have 3 different thumbnails here. So I'm going to upload those 3 different thumbnails. So I'm going to drag the first one here. I'm going to drag the second one here. And I'm going to drag the third one here. So 3 different thumbnails. And as it says here, test and compare different thumbnails. You upload 3 different thumbnails and we will learn which one our viewers prefer. Now, all I have to do, guys, is just simple click on done. Now, once you click on done, you realize that these 3 different thumbnails are showing here, and we will now be able to test between these 3 different thumbnails to see which one the viewers will like. As you can see here, it mentions that the thumbnails are ineligible, and this is due to the video not being public. So all I have to do is just simply go ahead and make sure that my video is public, and then I'll be able to test between these 3 thumbnails. So as you can see, I'm just going to leave the description here. Very simple, not going to use any tags, and all I will do is just simply go ahead and click next. I'm going to go ahead and just choose just random end screen, just as basic end screen here. Go and click save here, and then I'm going to go next, and I'm going to make this video public. So I'm going to publish this video as is, and as you can see there, the video is published. So once I will go back to my videos here, you now see that my video is now published and the thumbnails are showing 3 different thumbnails. Now, in order to know which one of these video thumbnails is actually doing well, you want to go ahead and click on the details or the edit button of the particular video. So click on the video details there to open the video, and inside the video testing, as you can see, it is showing that it is currently running. And in order to view the report, just click the 3 dots on the uppermost right hand side, and you will have the option that says view test report. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see how those different thumbnails are actually doing. And from here, based on the report that you got, you can stop and set whichever thumbnail that is currently not doing well, or whichever thumbnail is currently doing well. And as you can see here, it mentioned that it gives you up to 14 days, let's say, of runtime for you to discover which one of these thumbnails is actually doing well. And currently, as it's showing here, I have 13 days and 23 hours left. So this is really 2 weeks of getting full data to see which one of these thumbnails are actually doing well. And I think this is an amazing feature rolled out by YouTube, and it is simply fascinating. And guys, you want to go ahead and take advantage of this brand new feature within YouTube. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.